What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to raise and support this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. On all four corners there is these lift pads. There's one right here, one in the back, and they look like this one right here. So that's where you want to raise the vehicle from. If you need to support it with some jack stands, you can support it right here. Just make sure you don't support it right here. This is just a cover. You're going to crush that cover, but right here you could support it. In the back, you're going to want to raise it from those lift pads, and then if you wanted to support it with a jack stand, right here is a good area, right where this bracket is. That's real strong right there.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.